Hello! Welcome back, everybody. Hope you're okay. Good to see you today. Oh, I've got a shout out for you. Mr. Boocock has said that his group have done amazing with the quiz, the spelling quiz that you've done over the last couple of days. So big shout out to you guys. There's Evie and Ella and Sophia and Libby and Poppy and Jamie and Toby and Louie and Leo and Noah. So massive shout out for you guys. I know Mr. Boocock said you did an awesome job, so well done. And well done to everybody else, whether you're at school or at home. The spelling quizzes, I think you did amazing at. So, shaking it up slightly today, we're going to be doing some joining word work. And then I'm going to throw a tricky word, common exception word quiz at the end, just for a few different words to spell. So shaking it up slightly. So you need a piece of paper or your whiteboard and pen. And I want you to write down 4 joining words. Now, before we write them down, can you remember and have a think what a joining word is, please? What does a joining word do, and can you think of one? So, a joining word joins 2 sentences together, 2 small sentences to make it a little bit longer. That's why it's a joining word. And you may know some of them, but have maybe forgotten a few others. So, you need to write these down. I'm going to give you 4 of them today. So, your first joining word is and. Can you write that down somewhere at the top of your piece of paper or the top of your whiteboard? Just write the word and, please. Okay. Another one, you might have already done it. But I went to the shop, but it was closed. I went to the park, but I forgot my umbrella. Now, the big one, because. Now, I've never taught you a way to spell this. Just copy it for now, and I will do a video on how to spell it. Parents, if you're there and want to have a quick go, I always think of big elephants can always understand small elephants, and I've taught it in my lessons before, and it's quite funny. So you've got the first letter of big, first letter of elephants, can always understand small elephants. So I'll do it as a video another time. So because, so pause that. That's also a joining word. And your last joining word today is so. So, can you make your S a little bit better than mine, please? I don't think my S's are very good. I need to work on mine being a little bit neater. So you've got 4 joining words. You should have and, but, because, and so. Right. I have got some sentences for you, and they have got missing joining words. So the 4 words that you've just written down, and, but, because, and so, you need to choose which word would go in this sentence to make it make sense. Okay, so we'll do one together. So let's do this one first. So I'm going to just pause it and let you read it first, because you're so good at reading. Okay, I'll read it with you, and then we'll decide which joining word needs to go there. You ready? The man went to the shop. Joining word. He got some milk. The man went to the shop. Something. He bought some milk. So is it the man went to the shop because he bought some milk, or the man went to the shop so he bought some milk? Oh, it could be a couple actually. So I am going to write down the joining words, and you might have written it down as well. So write down the joining word that you think would suit that one. So I've put and. The man went to the shop and he bought some milk. So that does make sense, doesn't it? As long as your sentence makes sense. The man went to the shop and he bought some milk. You could have used other joining words, but that was the one I was thinking of. So let's do another one. So you need and, but, so, and because. Are you ready? I'm going to leave it there for you to read first. Okay. The girl was sad. Something. She had lost her teddy. Oh, why was the girl sad? Why was the girl sad? Because she had lost her teddy. The girl was sad because, see if you can spell that correctly, because she had lost her teddy, poor girl. Goodness me, I hope she finds her teddy. I bet somebody brought it back to her. So do you see the joining word because makes sense there? Good job. Okay. Let's try this one. You read it yourself first. You're good at reading now. That says closed. Okay. The boy went to the shop with his mum. Something, it was closed. The boy went to the shop with his mum. This is the one I was thinking of. You write down or you tell me which one would fit. The boy went to the shop with his mum, but it was closed. Some of you might have put and it was closed, but it was closed because he got there, but it was closed. So that's the one I was thinking of, and would also work as well. So well done. Okay, let's try this one. I'll let you read it first. That says excited. The boy was excited. Something, it was his birthday. The boy was excited because it was his birthday. Ooh, put your hand up if you've got excited if it's your birthday before. Yeah. The boy was excited because it was his birthday. There we go. Because it was his birthday. Ooh, exciting. That's why he was excited. Okay. Now then, we've got but, and, so, and because. You decide. Are we ready? It was raining. Something, I needed my umbrella. It was raining. Now the one I was thinking of was so. It was raining, so I needed my umbrella. Yes? Some of you might have put and. It was raining and I needed my umbrella. That would also have been perfect. Not a problem. But I used the word so. It was raining, so I needed my umbrella. Yes? Good job. Okay, next one. Oh, you like this one? This one is actually what Mr. Bigger and Ollie have just done, which is taken Millie for a walk. So that will help you with this sentence. So read the sentence. Oh, you can hear Millie drinking. So, it says, I went for a walk. Something, I took Millie with me. I went for a walk. Which one would make sense? I went for a walk and I took Millie with me. Millie! She might come in a minute. Oh, she's coming. I went for a walk. There she is. Millie, come and say hi. Millie, she's here. Here she is. I've just been for a walk, everybody. I went for a walk and I took Millie with me. Or you could say, So I took Millie with me, but and would probably be the best one there. And we've got the last one before we do your tricky word quiz. Oh, right, have a read first. Have a read first. Right, so the cat went to the house, something jumped into the window. The cat went to the house, jumped into the window. The cat went to the house and jumped into the window. There we go. I'll tell you a quick story. I used to have a cat called Tia, and my neighbour used to leave her bedroom window open, and sometimes she'd come in the house with my neighbour, and Tia, my cat, was sat on her bed because Tia had jumped in to her bedroom window through through the window and sat on her bed. The cat went to the house and jumped into the window. How funny. Right, those are all your sentences. So just to remind you, your joining words, you've got but, and, because, and so. Those are the ones we've looked at today. Right, a quick tricky word quiz. Are you ready? So, pen ready if you've got whiteboard, pencil ready if you've got a piece of paper. Are you ready? Number one, you. You. You are doing amazing. I hope you know that. You. You, are we ready? I'm going to show it. You. Give yourself a tick if you've made a marvellous mistake. Don't worry, just change it. You, good job. Next one, are. Are we finished yet, Mrs. Bigger? Are. If you're doing it in my classroom, normally it's in the cloud on that tricky word wall. Are. There we go. Are. That's the sound are, but that's the word are. So just change it if you made a little mistake. They're marvellous mistakes. Next one. One. Not the number one. I want you to write the word one. One pencil. One day I went for a walk. One. Ready? One. Great job if you got it right. Don't worry if you didn't. We're all learning, okay? It's good to learn. One. Next one. Have. Have. Have you got your coat today? Have. There's a letter on the end of it that some people sometimes forget. Have. Ready? Have. Good job. Have. Have you remembered your E on the end of have? Next one. Watch my tongue. With. With. It's not with or with. It's with. With. I'm going to underline that actually. With. Because there are a lot of people who sometimes get that wrong. With. With. Great job. Just a few more left and then we're done. So, she. She is the next one. She. She is doing a great job. She. There we go. She. Brilliant. Next one. Said. Said. There's no E in said. It's not said. That's a tricky one. And if you've forgotten it, don't worry. Don't worry. Said. Have a go. Have a go. Said. There we go. Don't worry if you've got it wrong. It's fine. Just change it and remember it for next time. Said. Mrs. Bigger said, you are awesome. Two more left and then you're done. They. 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 If you know how to spell the, then you'll know how to spell they. They. I'll give you a bit more time. They. They. Good job. So it's the with a Y on the end, isn't it? They. And in my classroom, it's in the sunshine on the board. Last one. Like. Like. It's a K in like, not a C. It's a kicking K. Like. See how you got on with that one? I like that you're trying so hard. Like. Yay, good job. Brilliant. What a great phonics session that was. You were a superstar. So we've learned joining words and you've done some tricky word spellings as well. Brilliant, brilliant, brilliant. Great job this week, guys. I'll see you next time. Bye.